YouTube? It's your boy iamonio, man, and I'm back with another video. Hey man, say man, what I need y'all to do is go ahead and subscribe to your boy channel, man. Leave a thumbs up so your boy videos get recommended, and comment, man. Comment. Hey, what I'm finna do is restore T-Love's forces, y'all. Your boy's finna bless these. I'm finna bless them. So, hey, on the retros, I see y'all didn't really see how messed up the shoe was when I did them. Y'all did see the finished product. Hey, and if y'all ain't subscribed to T-Love channel, man, go over there to the Life with T-Love. I'm gonna drop the link down below. Go subscribe to my baby channel, man. She got things to talk about. Hey, y'all see I cleaned that shoe wheels, I messed up this shoe wheel. Y'all ain't gotta always spend money and go off and buy shoes, man. You can get your shoe restored and clean at home. If you ain't subscribed to the channel, man, go on ahead and subscribe to your boy channel, man. What you waiting on? So the ones don't know, and you ain't watched the other video, I put the shoestrings in bleach, dishwasher liquid, and water. The shoestrings is bleach safe. Next, I'm gonna hit them with the whitener. Finna put them in the box. Hey y'all, the shoes in the box. We're gonna take a sneak peek and see what they look like. Hey y'all, they don't know I put glow in the dark paint on those shoes. Y'all see that? Hey, drop down in the comment section, let me know what y'all think. I'm finna get ready to take with the box. I wanna appreciate everybody that's supporting your boy, man, on this journey. I appreciate you, man. Much love. That's all I got to give. You feel what I'm saying? I know I'm probably gonna sell my Cadillac once I finish fixing it up. I'm gonna start vlogging me fixing it up on the channel, so people will know I am doing legit work to the lab. But if you ain't watched some of my videos, go back and watch some of my videos. Let me know what you think about the content. Drop down in the comment section and voice your opinions. And I don't get mad about opinions. Just don't get disrespectful. You don't like it, you don't like it. I mean, I can't be mad at you. I'm gonna keep it going. I ain't gonna let you slow me down, I can tell you that. Your opinion ain't gonna slow me down. If you can support me, support your boy. Do what you can do to support your boy, man. Go follow me on all my social media accounts. Follow me on all my social media accounts. It'll be posted at the end of the video. Just stay tuned. Watch the video all the way through. Don't skip the ad. Hey y'all, tell me what y'all think, man. The shoes is done. Tell me what y'all think. Hey, I am waiting on the toe reshaper. I ordered some since I'm gonna be doing this on the channel, and I'm waiting for them to come in. And her shoes went there bent up in the front, so I didn't even put tissue or towel in the front. But this is the finished product, man. Hey man, so what I need y'all to do is go ahead and subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up on this video so your boy videos can get recommended, so other people can understand that they shoes can be clean. You see what I'm saying? I am using this new product I bought. If you ain't watched the other video, I got it out of Tupelo, Mississippi, out the middle of the mall from a couple black guys that was trying to sell a shoe product. Actually, it's been working pretty good. I mean, dishwasher soap, you know what I'm saying? I use Creep. They pretty much all doing the same as long as you put the label in. I think I clean a pair of shoes with water. That concludes the video. It's your boy, man, and I'm out.